everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Gina and I teach shuffle dancing. I post new lessons every week, so if that's something that you're into, then hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. Today we're going to be learning how to do the Miami step, so this is what it looks like. It is also known as a side-to-side running man because from the side it looks like you're doing the heels variation running man, or known as a hopping V-step, but I've learned it as the Miami step, so that's what we're calling it today. Okay, so let's break the step down. I start off by raising my leg into this transition because from here I'm going to step down and I'm going to lean over to my right and drag my foot in with me. And then I'm going to switch. And 2. Okay, so we're going to repeat that. We're going to go and 1 and 2. So following from behind, I'm going to come up and 1. So follow along with me and 2. And now to get the technique to make it look like one foot is hidden behind the other, I'm going to imagine that my heel has a piece of string attached to the other one. And so every time I step down, it's literally dragging the other one in behind. So what it looks like is this. See that position with my heel turned in, my toe pointing outward, the other foot placed in front, up, and slide. And as I do that, I pivot behind my foot. Up, pivot behind my foot. Okay, so follow for a few. We're gonna go and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. So you really want to play with the lean here. So going from side to side. Let's pick up the pace. 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. Okay, so we're now going to try it to music. We're going to go 80% speed, 90, and then 100, so that we can practice different speeds. Well done, you guys. So, some tips. Picking up your knee and really putting the emphasis on lifting the knee up before coming down is going to give you a much smoother transition. So focus on really bringing up that knee and then placing the heel down. Okay. When you do this, allow your foot that you're balancing on to move in the direction of your heel. So you want to avoid having your feet like super far apart. We're not doing this move because this is a completely different move. This is hopping the foot away. Instead, you want to bring your foot in. Bring it in, okay? And you can do that by pivoting and sliding. So without placing my foot down, if I had to just show you what the bottom foot is doing, it's this. Okay, and now I'm gonna add the step, and step, and step. Okay, and that is the Miami step. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content just like this. Until next time, see you later.